lot of companies on the market that are doing smart home technology,
Mm-hmm.
but everyone wants to know what makes Level Up different. I see the difference, but let them know what the difference is.
Sure.
Well, it starts with Jen. Jen saw that in this particular industry, it was really all about coming in, doing the job, and going away. And we have found so far that some of our customers have dealt with people who've come in, done the job, done the work, and then they never hear from them again or they can't reach them again. The difference we're going to make is we're bringing a very customer-centric focus.
Yes.
When we work with a customer, they are part of the Level Up family. We are there to walk you through technologies today and tomorrow. So as things change and you have questions, we're going to be there to answer them for you. We're going to make sure that you're getting what you need, not what we think you need. You know, it's not going to be, we're not going to oversell you. We're going to make sure it's the right products for you and for your home. But more importantly, we're just going to be there to make sure that you always have answers when you need them.
That's amazing.
Yeah.